everyone, thank you so much for watching. This video almost did not happen on time. My FabFitFun Winter box I saw got delivered, but it got delivered to our old address. My husband surprised me last night, said he went over to our old house. They had the box. He's my hero. I was so happy when he brought this to me last night. Here is the winter box, and I'm sorry my background couldn't be more, I don't know, festive. This is my beauty room and I still have boxes everywhere. I was gonna try and film this in front of our tree. It's just so chaotic with so many boxes and everything. So I apologize for the background, but here is the box again. It's such a pretty box. Do you guys keep your FabFitFun boxes? Because I do. I find ways to use them as storage. I don't know if that's weird, but I just can't see myself getting rid of these boxes. Even if the inside of the box is festive. And then here are all the goodies. Every single box, if you did not know, comes with kind of a little magazine. It's like a mini magazine. And on the front here is the gorgeous BROOKE. I love her. So one of the first things here is this little $60 gift card to HelloFresh. We've done HelloFresh before. We didn't continue it. So I don't know, maybe I'll try it out again with that little discount. Oh my gosh, there's so many goodies in here. So we'll start with, okay, I have been wanting to get a jade roller for so long. I do have a little derma roller with the little needles. So now what FabFitFun is doing is they're allowing you to customize part of your box. And so I chose the jade roller here. I am so excited about this product because I've seen so many people use it to, you know, kind of wake their skin up in the morning or help to push in product into their skin even more. I've just heard some really great things about using the jade roller. Not that it's going to, you know, transform your skin overnight, but it's just a nice little tool to have. And I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh my God, it's heavy. It feels super luxe. And I've heard that you can put this in the refrigerator to make it cool. So when you use it, it just helps to invigorate your skin. So excited about this. All right, and then next up is this AHAVA Hydration Cream Mask. It's powered by Osmoter. It infuses and nourishes thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. I thought it was for your hair. Ooh, it smells good. I don't know if you have to wash it off. Let's see. It says, oh yeah, it does say rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave all night. Ooh, I cannot wait to use this because right now in the winter time, my skin is usually normal to oily, but during the winter, it starts to have some dry patches. Like I get dry patches here and especially right here. I don't know why. So I'm using a lot more products that I would normally not use during the year to help keep my skin hydrated. So this is going to be a great addition. Okay, so next up I have, this is Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener. Now, Thrive Cosmetics has a ton of Instagram ads. I just have never purchased anything from them. And I know that they have this mascara that's like life-changing, but I haven't tried it. But here is their highlighting stick. Okay, here is the stick. Let's see if I can put a little bit here. I like that it's nice and subtle. And the stick is really easy to use. It just glides on the skin. It says shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology. I've never heard of that. To diffuse light and define features, instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. Apply to the brow bone, lids, waterline, and the corners of your eye. And then there's a built-in sharpener as well. So here it says elevate 2 essential oils. One is revitalizing eucalyptus, and then the other one is energizing sweet orange. So here's sweet orange. It's 100% natural essential oil. So it says on the back that these can be used directly on your skin. So let's try it out. God, it smells so good. It smells just like a fresh orange. All right, so this is eucalyptus. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna put that on my skin. That's definitely something for the house. It smells like the spa. Next, this is a huge box. This is a treatment mask. Okay, this is for the hair. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. This is such a nice packaging. It says made with pure Moroccan argan oil, enriched with keratin, and it's sulfate free. My hair doesn't really get, it does. You know, it gets dry kind of here, probably where I do the most styling. Oh, that smells good. All right, well, I will have to try that. So now I have this here. So the brand is BLAQ, and these are eye masks. It says late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights can have your peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on your activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. So there are 5 masks inside this little box, which is really nice. And here's what they look like. And these are just ones that you just place right underneath your eye to get them nice and hydrated. Cannot wait to try these out. Oh! All right, this says HALSTON on it. I think this is the one of the choices that I got to select. Okay, this is so pretty. So this little case is a jewelry organizer. Look how cute this is. You can either keep at home or you can take with you to travel. You can put your rings, your bracelets, your earrings, and your necklaces and keep them all organized so they don't get tangled, they don't go missing, and they stay nice and fresh because this is kind of like a velvet material. Sometimes if you put jewelry in the wrong type of storage container, they can lose their color or become really, really dull. So I actually chose this because I am really bad about storing my jewelry in different places and the wrong places. So I am so excited about having that. Oh yeah, so this is another thing that I chose. I chose this little disc. It says Get Fit with Brooke Burke. I mean, look at how freaking amazing she is. I don't know how old she is, but she's been in the business for so long. I've loved her from the start, and look at how insane her body is. Such an inspiration, and I know she has a couple kids, so if this can make me look like her, I'm gonna use it. It says here, Brooke has created exclusive videos to show you how to use your fitness sliders, yes, to enhance all kinds of workouts, including cardio, strength, and core. So these are called sliders. If you want to look up her channel as well, it looks like there's a little link to some of her workouts. I don't know, should I do a video doing some workouts using these discs? Let me know, I would love to do that. It looks like I am coming up to the final thing, and this is a Mark & Graham personalized gift. They offer curated a selection of beautifully crafted gifts to celebrate all the moments and people in your life. God, it's so soft, and can I tell you, the color is perfect for me. This is my favorite color in the whole world. Obviously, I'm wearing gray. All right, let's open her up. Oh, it's so cozy, you guys. I love it, and it matches our whole house because it's this like really light gray. I am so in love with it. Oh, if you guys haven't subscribed to FabFitFun yet, I will leave a link down below where you can get $10 off your very first box. And let me tell you guys, it is so worth it. You get so much good stuff for such a small price tag. And even if you don't use all of these products, they're so great to give to family or friends for their birthdays, or just because, or you can just use all of them yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Don't forget to enter my 12 days of giveaways. I've already posted my day 1 giveaway and my day 2 giveaway. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more giveaways. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.